test natin itong Umarex VFC na CO2 non-blowback pistol. So complete markings, licensed product ng Glock. So test natin. $389, $383, $389. Price is 8,500. So out of the box ang FPS niya is around 380. So yung slide niya pala, hindi ko nabanggit, metal. And then yung frame niya is polymer. Okay, so for details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.